So, back in Toronto means kind of want to stock up on some groceries. So I made a stop at Freshco in the morning. And yeah, now I'm gonna do Uber Eats. Gotta start making some money again. But like, for real. So, yeah, just rode around, been picking up food. I haven't really been using the GoPro for the vlog just because the GoPro footage, usually it's like I turn it on before I go into a restaurant and then I turn it off when I leave. And it winds up being like every restaurant I go to, I have like at least a minute to 5 minutes of footage. So it's kind of a pain in the ass to edit. So even though this is a little less coherent, I'm just gonna do it like this for a while just so I can catch up. But yeah. Pretty much just doing Uber for like 3 hours or so here. And overall pretty decent. Wind up finishing sort of near my house. $62 for those 8 trips. I'm like, yeah, decent. It's a little wet and rainy, so yeah. Anyways, it is Wednesday, so it's time for another bike repair class. And I'm one of the first people here. I think only 6 of us showed up for the class. And yeah, today we went over how to properly clean a bike. So my bike is looking pretty nice. And we also oiled up everything, including just like the nuts and bolts. That's just like anti-rust measure kind of thing. So that's something I usually don't do. And my bike is nice and clean right now, so that's cool. Yeah, overall pretty good class. And yeah, now I'm just headed home. Pretty dark. So yeah. Peace out, everybody.